next thing that needs to be done, it's hard to tell probably from the camera, but on the left side of this, it's tilted up pretty good. So when you drive your car, it kind of tilts to the right quite a bit because the left side's higher than the right. So we are going to cut this out all along here to that little peak right up there. So, and then we're just going to take it from here and just cut it out so that way it's flat going through here. All right, now let's get started. Well, there, we got her all done now. So now I'm just grabbing the little tractor and kind of going over it with the Thatcher, and that kind of levels things out a little bit, makes it a little bit more flatter, fills in some of the smaller holes there. But yeah, other than that, worked great. And I got this little pile here at the end I'm going to scoop up. So I didn't get a video on that, but that does get removed out of the way. So, but yeah, this is the before. And then here is the after. Yeah, look at that. Nice and flat. Much nicer. And then now they won't be tilted to the side. So that's what they want. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.